Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the Tarmacworks RWB 997 Abu Dhabi. And as you can see, there is the car right there in the transparent acrylic case. And yeah, here is the sleeve, sort of like this grayish color. Hobby 64 right there on the top. This is not Global 64, just if you are wondering. Hobby 64. So I guess let's take a look at the back, or sorry, the sides. Here is the, I would say, the side of the box, or also known as the back of the card right there. Very cool. Whereas over this side, you can see the front of the car, which is actually pretty cool. And then the back says Tarmacworks, Tarmac for good. Moving towards the bottom of the acrylic cover. Here it is, Tarmacworks RWB small size big heart, RWB 997 Abu Dhabi, Rawhel Begriff, official licensed product, and made in China. There is the barcode if you need so. So I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. And before that, just if you're wondering where did I get this, I basically get it from Two Monster Shop, where you can go to their store, available at Tamrin Square, Cyberjaya. If you are living in Malaysia, you can also buy it from their TikTok page or Shopee page if you want. Or, well, if you live overseas, I would recommend you go get it from the Tarmacworks website if it is still available. Now, here I have the acrylic case with the car and the certification card. Now, I really like the certification card. But before I show the certification, I actually can show you the back of this sleeve right here. So you can see the background. It sort of has this sort of design which looks lovely. I really do like it. Sort of like these sometimes hexagonal, sometimes pentagonal, sometimes different type of shapes. These are normally known as Islamic shapes or Arabic shapes normally. They are normally used in countries, basically mainly in Arabic countries, and they look really nice. And you can see there, Rawhel Begriff. The reason why it is named as Abu Dhabi is because this car is actually from Abu Dhabi. Mr. Akira Nakai, or Nakai-san, he is the founder of RWB and still applies the body kits till today. And he mostly travels around the world just to build RWB body kits onto cars. Onto Porsches, of course. And this is one of the reasons why it is called Abu Dhabi. It's because this car is built there, basically. So yeah, like I said, sort of like that similar beautiful looking Islamic design, which I do like. Tarmacworks Rawhel Begriff RWB, and then Tarmacworks socials at the bottom. Let us see the serial number. Yeah, that's a big number, 2476 as the number. Limited edition. You have the chassis number again. You have all of this, and RWB 997. Very cool. Put that there. Let's take a closer look at the car itself outside of its acrylic case. So let's open it up. Now, like I said, that Islamic sort of design right there, it applies towards the base of this car as well, actually. Right there, you can see the design right there, sort of 3D resemblance towards the back, which I do love. It says Tarmacworks RWB 997 Abu Dhabi, and you have a big RWB logo right there on the side. Very nice. Love the design. The pattern just looks wonderful. I really do love it. So yeah, there is the car right there. It is the RWB 997, or I guess Porsche 997, I guess. Not too familiar with this car in particular, but I really do like it since it released. Actually, this car specifically, the 997 RWB, is actually, like I said, built in Abu Dhabi, but this similar sort of car was actually built a couple of months ago here in Malaysia. Similar case to the build in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, or well, sorry, not Dubai, but like more generically to Abu Dhabi. The same thing applies to when Akira Nakai came to Malaysia. He actually built something like this. Sorry, there it is, the RWB 997, which obviously looks gorgeous right here in this I can say metal flake, sort of glittering liquid silver sort of color, which is lovely. I like it myself. It's very, very nice. So like I said, there is actually something somewhat similar to this in Malaysia actually, as Mr. Akira Nakai has actually built something similar to this, but here in Malaysia, which is actually really, really nice. And yeah, if you look at the car carefully, even though it is an Abu Dhabi edition sort of car, they still have the Japanese license plate on the front and back of the car, which is actually interesting. I mean, I can see the RWB vibes as always on this car, as well as the sort of Arabic or Dubai, Abu Dhabi like vibes to it. It looks gorgeous. I myself really do like it. Looking at the stands, the body kit, the wide body is obviously gorgeous. And yeah, actually it looks pretty great. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. So here it is, the RWB 997, basically right here with me right now. Let's start off from the back. So you can see that these are 6-spoke, sort of like liquid metallic sort of silver right there. 6 spokes. So the rim arches are actually the wheel barrel sort of is actually really deep inside. As you can see right here, you can kind of see the rims are actually deep inside, so that's actually a great little touch. 6 spokes. You do have the brake calipers. I believe they are in yellow. I'm not entirely sure, but I think it is. You do have rubber tires right here, and you do have a sponsor right here. It says Idlers, which is interesting. You do have this massive appliance of a wide body kit right here at the back. Obviously, the back has a more wide body compared to the front, and yeah, like I said, I really do like it. It actually looks pretty cool. So the side profile of the car is very, very clean. There are no sponsors, no decals or anything, no details of the side or anything. It's just pretty clean, and I really do like it. And looking at the door, it's pretty nice. They did quite a good job. The door handle right here, the side mirror, which is plastic, not rubber, by the way, which is nice. You do have the similar sort of wide body kit right here at the front, just that this is less wider than this, of course. You do have the similar sort of rims right here, 6 spokes, and yeah, you do have idlers again as the sponsor for the rims, I guess. Are the rims sponsored or the tires sponsored? I'm not entirely sure. Moving towards the front of the car right here, you do have these circle headlights or headlamps, however you call it. The headlights are regular tint and also transparent. And surprisingly, no Porsche logo somehow. which is interesting. I'm not sure if there is a Porsche logo or not on the real one. You do have the side blinkers, or I believe they are fog lights, maybe, right there. So you do have the Japanese license plate, which states 6785. 6785 is its license plate right there, colored in white and green, obviously. We do have some intakes right here at the bottom for the grille, and you have a slightly extended front splitter right here at the front, with the addition of the blacked out canards right here on both sides, which are nice. Hood wise, yeah, the hood's pretty clean as always, similar to the side of the car, of course. Interior, the windshield is a regular windshield tint. It does say something on the windshield. It says rough world, I think. Okay. Blacked out interior, blacked out seats, and yeah, it is left-hand drive, so yeah, pretty cool if you ask me. And yeah, overall pretty like it. Moving towards the roof, yeah, nothing much on the roof, just the similar sort of paint scheme like I said just now, with the glitter sort of texture. You can see that I can actually show you the glitter texture right there on the roof. That looks nice. Here's the other side. It looks pretty much the same thing. Nothing much is different on this side compared to the other, which is nice. The rear window right here, what does that say? Rockwell Begriff right there, RWB, on the rear window, yeah, which is cool. And then I believe here are some vents right here. I'm not entirely sure, but they are colored in black. And then you have this massive extended rear spoiler right here. It is very, very nice. Comes with the body kit, I believe. Yeah, overall it looks pretty cool. If you ask me, it kind of looks like, of course, a tabletop. Of course. If you ask me personally, people would normally say these type of cars with these type of massive rear spoilers, normally you can have lunch or dinner on top of the spoiler. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking right now. That's pretty cool. Red rear lights right here, which is cool, very nice. What does that say at the bottom? I think it says Abu Dhabi right there at the bottom of the spoiler. Not entirely sure, which is okay, I guess. Some vents here, and then some license plate, yeah, number 6785 again. And then you have twin exhaust tips on each side, colored in silver sort of color. Colored in silver, which is nice, chrome silver, I believe. Yep, you can see the detailed exhaust system at the bottom right here, which is insane. Just because of the licensing of RWB, they need to make it right and properly detailed. Just look at the exhaust system, that is nice, gotta give props to that. And then you have the plastic blacked out base. So sadly plastic, because well, it is Hobby 64, so they had to cut costs and I guess put in a plastic base, I guess. Tarmacworks 1/64 scale RWB 997, made in China. And that's basically it. Overall, I must say, this is a very, very nice looking 997. And I believe there are several other colors coming for this specific casting, but it is not in the Abu Dhabi edition. I think there is one in, I believe, metallic yellow, but the spoiler is slightly different if I'm not mistaken on the yellow version. And then they plan to release one in pink, I think, more recently, which is pretty cool. I can't really wait. Will I get more colors of this? I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, we'll just have to wait and see. I'm not entirely too much of a fan of collecting the same car, just different colors when it comes to these type of cars. But maybe sometimes I do, like the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT3. That is something that I normally do. What else from Tarmac? I mean, the Nissan Silvias, I believe. Yeah, those are. Sometimes I do collect the duplicates of them, but they are in a different color, which is to me personally fine, I guess. But something like this, I don't really think so. I'm not entirely sure yet, but hopefully, maybe in the future, I might get more colors of this. But yeah, overall, this is such a very, very nice car. Abu Dhabi special, I guess, edition. And love the color, love the tune. Sorry, not the tune, but more to the body kit. The body kit is very, very nice. The set of rims are also stunning. Overall, it's such a nice, perfect little RWB car, and overall, I love it. And you can get yours from Top 2 Monster Shop today while stock lasts. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.